How to use AirDrop to share files instantly. So as we all know, Apple's best feature is AirDrop. You can instantly share files between Apple devices using the AirDrop. So first of all you have to do is open the Photos app or any file app you want to send to other iPhone device or Apple devices. So here let me just open the Photos app for an easy access. Inside there, so now if I want to send this video, then tap on the share icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, you will get to see AirDrop option available. Now tap on the AirDrop, and once you tap on the AirDrop, make sure that both of your iPhone devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggled on. Then you will get to see the list of iPhone devices available next to you. The receiver gets a pop-up to accept or decline. Simply tap on the accept if you want it, and once accepted and sent, you will get to see sent option available on your AirDrop screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.